of course, but the real situation within Tibet or in now, I think can be also for him a good situation is to know better what happened in the country.
Well, we mentioned this point. I think it's not useful to spend many words, but I think it would be more interesting if you can say something to Gabriele Berni, the assessore for international cooperation and peace. Quindi darei vicino a loro tu sei già abbastanza più professionista, no? Quindi d'altra parte noi però stiamo anche lavorando come partito politico, nel senso che stiamo cercando di favorire la nascita non solo del nostro, ma anche di altri partiti da cui unicamente può derivare
And today we have 34 regional chapters, 11 executive member of elections, and general member 2,600.
Abbiamo adesso how many chapters? 32 sedi del partito di tutto il mondo and
11 executive members.
11 esecutivo eletti, quindi all'interno di uno che già funziona il criterio elettivo. Ci sono 2.600 membri.
Increasing our increasing the divided members, and now there are interested students together because we are working very hard and it's very important to cover.
I use it not from media, but in a more superficial way.
Purtroppo personalmente, per questo sono contento che stamattina qui controverso.
And I personally think that
perché appunto il Tibet è noto nel mondo per essere un paese caratterizzato per una cultura di pace.
In that relationship between the international level and the national level. Because international law, as long as it remains something which is detached, far away from the national legal system, cannot deploy all its effects. If international human rights law is written in a treaty but has no means to be used at national levels because the treaty is not being